Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on a Monday, September the 28th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 Sudokus. Yes, a lot of Sudokus to solve today. And I will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star. And this will be a number 163. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 27. You can check this if this is correct. The 1 star has always 27, the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24 printed digits. So let's get started. Let me see. In this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers. Well, no, it's not 2. I see that. Well, yes, it's 2. In this big square, we have the 4 and the 1, and we are missing the 4 and the 1 in this column. So the 4 and the 1 is in this big square, so no 4 and the 1 in these 2 boxes in this column. So the 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this column are the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, and no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now. Those numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 2. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 there. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Let me see, can we do this again with... Let me see, 5, 6, 6. Four. All right. In this row, the third row, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this big square, so no 2 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. And look, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 8 goes there. And now. Let me see. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the last column. 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair, I see, 7 and 8 in this row. 7 and 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the 7 and the 8 must be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 7 and 8, as a pair. That means the 6, the 9 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. Yes. 3, 5, 6, and a 9. Alright. I cannot do anything here. But we have a pair again. Look, we have a 9 and a 5 in this column, a 9 and a 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 and the 5 should be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. That means in this column we have now 4 missing numbers, the 3 and the 6, and the 8 and the 7. And look, we have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, yes. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see, yes, digit number 2. How about the 1, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. digit number 3. Alright. And now, let me see. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes in this column. That means 1 box left in this big square for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 3. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 4. Then 1 digit left in the last column for the number 9. 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 9. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright, 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. Then 2 digits left in this column for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this second column for the number 9. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Then 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. One Star Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. I will continue. It will be a 2 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.